In the tropical dry forest, there are many living things. Some of these animals, like hawks and crocodiles, eat other animals to get food and energy. Other animals, like these pizotes, eat insects and nuts and small things that they can find to keep them alive and healthy. And then there are the animals that specialize in eating plants. These howler monkeys will spend hours each day finding the right trees with the right leaves to feed their whole family. With so many animals wanting to eat so many leaves, the trees need to find ways to protect themselves. This is an acacia tree. What does the acacia tree have growing out of its bark to protect itself from predators?
Okay, Daddy, I'm doing the tap, tap, tap.
If the ants think there's a threat, even a small insect is not safe if it ventures onto the tree. So the tree is protected by thorns and ants. Thankfully for the ants, the tree also gives something back to the ants. What might the tree give back to the ants? In exchange for their protection, the acacia tree gives the ants a home inside the tree, and the acacia tree gives the ants food. The tree actually makes nectar inside those big thorns, and the ants use that nectar to feed their young. So the acacia tree is well protected. But if we look carefully, we can see that the tree is protected by more than just thorns and more than just ants. If you were a monkey or another type of animal that eats plants, would you want to start climbing this tree? Neither would I. I would not want to risk getting stung by those wasps. But what are the wasps getting out of the deal? Why are the wasps choosing to have their nest on the acacia tree? Does the tree do anything for the wasps? Perhaps the thorns of the tree protect the wasps from predators that might want to climb up the tree. But what about that other nest? I wonder what lives in there on our tree. Is the acacia tree helping the birds too? Are the birds helping the tree?